So hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix your mobile if you feel that it is working a bit slow and if you want to speed it up a bit. So please watch this video till the end. So firstly, note that this is only for Android. So just go to the settings of your device, and after that go to developer options. If your developer options are not enabled, I've already made a video on how to enable developer options. Its link I'll be giving in the description. After developer options is enabled, go there, and under the topic drawing, here you can see three options: window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animated duration scale. Just go to window animation scale and take it to off. So if it is off, then your phone starts working normally without any lag. So thank you everyone for watching my today's video. Please like, comment and subscribe.